class we have discussed about addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication. Multiplication of a monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, and monomial with trinomial. At the same time, monomial with polynomial. That means polynomial containing more than 3 terms. Okay. First of all, we will discuss about multiplication of a monomial with a monomial. I am taking a monomial 3xy into 7x square yz, something like that. Okay. Unlike terms can be multiplied and can be divided, but unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. Okay, as I said before. So here, first of all, you see the numerical quotients 3 into 2, 7. After that, x into x square into y into y. Here z is on the set. So 3 7 7 3 is 21. X into x square, x cube. Here x into x square, x cube into y square, z. Like that. Multiplying numerical coefficient with numerical coefficient and variables with variables. Like that. Okay. We'll take one more example. Minus 11 a square b c cube into 7 a square b square c power 4, something like that. As usual, minus 11 into 7 into a square into a square. And at the same time, b into b square. A square into a square into b into b square into c cube into c power 4. So minus into plus minus, 7 ones are 77 minus 77. A square into a square, a power 4, b into b square, b cube, c cube into c power 4, because that becomes c power 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. Okay, this is in the form of a power m into a power m plus 7. Okay, like that you have to multiply a monomial with monomial. Okay, now come to the next point. How to multiply a monomial with binomial? This is very simple. 7x into 3x square plus 4y square, something like that. Here 7x into 3x square plus 7x into 4y square. Distributive property. This is what you call it as distributive property. 7x is multiplied with each term of the binomial. 7x into 3x square plus 7x into 4y square. Now as usual, 7 into 3, 7 3 is 21, x into x square, x cube plus 7 into 4, 7 4 is 28, x y square. So this is the product of a monomial with binomial. Okay, next, a monomial with trinomial. Suppose 3 a square b cube c into 2 a b square minus 5 a square b power 4 c cube, something like that. Okay, as usual, 3a square b cube c into 2a b square minus 3a square b cube c into 5a square b power 4 c cube. That is equal to 3 2s are 6. A square into a cube, b cube into b square, b power 5 c minus 3 5 z 15 a square into a square a power 4 b cube into b power 4 that is equal to b power 7 c into c cube c power 4. So this is where you have to multiply a monomial with binomial. Next, a monomial with trinomial. The same distributive property we use. Okay, 6x y cube into 7x square plus 3y square minus 4xy, something like that. Okay, same as before. 6xy cube into 7x square. Monomial is multiplied with each and every term of the expression which is enclosed in the bracket. That becomes 6xy cube into 7x square plus 6xy cube into 3y square minus 6xy cube into 4xy. Okay, 6 sevens are 42. X into x square x cube y cube plus 6 threes are 18 x y cube into y square y power 5 minus 6 fours are 24 x into x square y cube into y power 4 y means y power 1, so is equal to this one. So this is what the product. In the same manner, multiplying a monomial with the expression containing 4 terms, 5 terms, in the same way we have to apply distributive property. Okay. Suppose minus a square b cube c into 5 a square b square plus 7 ab cube minus 3 ab plus 4 a cube b cube, something like that. How to multiply? This is an expression containing 4 terms. So minus a square b cube c into 5 a square b square. What about the sign here? Minus into plus. If a monomial containing into sign, first of all you have to multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus. Then you have to write a cube, a square b cube c into 7 a b cube. Again minus into minus, plus a square b cube c into 3 ab. Again minus into plus, minus a square b cube c into 4 a cube b cube. Now that becomes minus a square into a square. But here 5 is there. First we have to keep 5. If no numerical quotient is mentioned here, we should take it as 1. Here numerical quotient is not there. So we have to take the numerical quotient as 1. 1 into 5, 5. So simply we can write 5. A square into a square into a square, a power 4. B cube into b square, b power 5, c. Again minus. Here also 1 into 7, 7. A square into a cube. B cube into b cube, b power 6, c. Plus a square 3. A square into a power a cube. B cube into b power 4, c. Minus 4. A square into a cube, a power 5. B cube into b cube, b power 6, c. So like this we have to multiply a monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, monomial with trinomial, and monomial with a polynomial containing more than 4 terms, more than 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, so on like that, using the distributive property. Okay. So thank you very much. In the next section, we'll discuss about how to multiply a binomial with binomial. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.